Yes.
Hey guys, tell us what tonight is. What's tonight?
What's tonight?
Oh, that very nice. And what happens on Christmas Eve?
Everyone freezes?
No, that's not it.
Everyone goes to sleep. And what happens while we're sleeping?
Everyone likes their heads
Where's Santa right now?
Well, I think he's flying around. When you guys get out, we're going to have to track Santa.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the computer. Pew pew.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll follow him.
What do you got, Gianna? What do you got?
Careful, Henry.
What do you got?